Hello everyone.
Good morning.
Hey. Hi. Okay. Today I have with me Izati,
Leda.
Adira, Karonisa, and myself Ranisha. We are from the Nature Society of UPM. Hereby present to you our discussion on Nature Week. We have a few activities that is going to be carried out during this period of time. Okay, and here we go. Adira, let's start with you. What do you have in mind for our Nature Week?
For our nature week, I think it will be best if we can organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. The reason why, because first of all, there are many wildlife there. However, even though there are many wildlife, there are a lot of small mammals, but there won't be any predators that can threaten the students that will be going there. So that's my first point. Second of all, going to forest reserve will be meant that we are supporting them, right? And from that we'll be protecting wildlife also, because their status of research, education and conservation provides full protection to the forest and wildlife there. So there won't be like any loggings and all. There won't be those kind of activities. Like an example, this CISFAC, our own CISFAC, and the Hutan Simpan and Dawampin. And my last point is that they can provide more activities and programs that is not the norm. I went to the program Khazanah Alam yesterday at CISFAC, and we had a nature night walk where we went through the forest, to the jungles, through the rivers, and it was an interesting experience. It was a new experience. I saw a python
Oh my god.
swimming through the waters. So yeah, it will be a new experience for all the students in the nature club. So yeah, that's my point. So how about you, Izaki?
For me, I think it's better that we organize a trip to nature park, because the first one is nature park is, you know that nature park is very well known in Malaysia for its beautiful, and the forest there have a tropical, what do you call, bukan hujan,
Rainforest.
tropical rainforest. And you know that Malaysia have the most beautiful tropical rainforest. So the national park would be the best choice, because first of all, the students can gain more information about nature. Since it's also about the tourism, so the tour guide the guide there, the ranger forest must have many information about the nature, and thus the students can gain know more knowledge about the forest, how to conserve it, and they also know that there will be some more many different type of trees, plants and animals that cannot be found in our maybe normal in the jungle, in the normal place like this. And for the second, and also this trip could inculcate the awareness of conserved nature inside student. As you know, the nature park is very beautiful, so if we go there, we will be spellbound by its beauty. Thus, this might instill some of the awareness and the feeling want to save this beautiful for the next generation. So it's better that we educating our generation, the younger one, to respect and love the nature. So that's all for me. How about you, Karanisa?
For me, both of your ideas are great, but I think it's for the trips it involves only the members who went there, and only the members that went there went for the trip gain benefits from it. But I think the activities that we should organize should involve more people, maybe people around the campus and maybe the staff also. So I think my idea is to organize a recycling day. I mean, we can open like maybe we start a store, and maybe we can collect recycle stuff like such as minerals, plastic bottles, and then plastic bags, boxes like that.
Newspapers.
Yeah, newspapers. Yeah, I forgot that. Newspapers, and this can instill in them to cycle things. As we all know, the numbers of garbage is increasing every year, right? And we need to reduce that. And the like we say the raw materials we used to make the papers, trees are declining nowadays, right? So we have to recycle them. So the raw materials don't use up just like that. We can minimize the usage of that. I think that's all from me. So how about Ranish? Have any other
What I
ideas?
have in mind is, okay, speaking of Nature Week, I think that planting a tree is the best way because it can enlighten us on the importance of planting a tree. Although the process of planting a tree can be quite hard, but when you see the tree grow up in a few years' time, it is quite satisfying. And then secondly, since okay, we know that UPM is known for its greenery. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So although it's known for that, but UPM, have you guys thought that UPM is in the middle of the city? So this can make UPM more prone to airborne pollutions. Okay. Yes. So if we plant more trees around the campus, then the trees might help us to provide more clean air by absorbing the pollutants and filtering them. By this, students in the campus can enjoy clean, fresh air throughout the year.
Yes, it will be really nice to have.
Who has planted a tree recently?
No.
No.
No. Really no.
Speaking of trees, not money plants, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that is what I have in mind for the activity. And besides that, planting trees can provide the students with hands-on experiences so they would not feel boring. You know, it's more boring to listen to talks based on nature. Instead, we can do activities more fun and energetic ones. Yeah, that's what I have in mind.
That's a nice one.
Yes.
What do you all think? Which activity should we suggest for the Nature Week?
And the tree planting has more long time effect.
Yeah, the tree planting has quite a long, what we call it,
It's a long-term effect
Long-term
in terms
effect.
of the environment.
Yeah.
But will it like give a lasting impression on the students in regards to experiencing the nature itself, so they will be more appreciative? I'm not so sure about that.
Okay.
What do you think, Adira? Which one should we suggest for the activities on Nature Week?
Because we'll be bringing students there, so it's important for the students to have a lasting impression. So something that is very strong, that is very like new, will give them something to look for, something to be excited for. So I think because flowers, they are night walks in flowers reserved for them, I think flowers reserve is kind of okay.
Okay.
but sorry for the interruption, but if you state that forest reserve would be the best trip to the forest reserve would be the best activities to do in a nature park, would be only a certain people will participate.
Yes, I agree with Izati. Only those who go for the trip can get the benefits. What about the others in the campus?
The others should also be benefited by our nature environment.
It should be a whole experience.
Should be that all people around all students around the campus should be from the activities of Nature Week.
Yeah.
Should be like that.
Yeah. I think that's quite alright also. Yeah, I think Okay. I agree with that.
Well, about Nisa, Recycle Day.
Yes.
Cycle day can it involves a lot of people, but I'm not really sure about the long effect.
It do really, I think that Recycle Day do really involve many people to do that. But I don't think that it will last long because people are so energetic and
Enthusiastic.
enthusiastic only on that day. Just
yeah.
like new broom sweeps first. Like that.
Just one
New broom sweeps clean. It's like that.
Just one day and then all gone.
And then it's gone.
And then the spirit will gone. Like that.
In addition to that, planting trees can also help in uniting people. We have 10 more minutes because we started late. I started the alarm late. Okay.
Just for 10 seconds.
Yes.
Yeah, and then it can also like increase the amount of trees for the future.
For the
And
future.
for that it can like so it can like correspond with the 3 R's that Nisa mentioned. So yeah, I think it's beneficial in a way. Yeah.
If they come back to tree planting.
So planting trees, then it is.
Yeah, tree planting is then.
Then here we got the conclusions. Our next activity for the nature week is planting a tree.
That's a wrap from us.
Okay, that's all from us.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching too. Bye.